This video showing out 8 easy milkshakes that you could try out. Here my measurement is for average 2 glasses. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. Before going into each type, let me show you a little tip that could make your milkshake even more creamier and tastier. Make frozen milk cubes in your ice tray. Mine is a bit large. You could use this whenever needed. Now, it won't come off as easy as the normal ice cubes come off. You will have to add a little pressure while taking out. Now beginning with nuts milkshake. Soak a handful of almonds and cashews for at least 1 hour. I'm not removing the skin of almonds, remaining it as such. Now to this adding few pistachios. You can also add some peanuts if you like. Add this to a blender. Add 2 frozen milk cubes. Just give a pulse. You can do this even before adding the milk cubes. Add half cup milk and blend. It's creamy and thick, adding half more cup of milk. I have added honey for sweetness. You can go for sugar or condensed milk. Blend again and serve. Garnish with some mixed nuts. Next is coffee milkshake, that's cold coffee. Into a blender, add 1 1/4 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Add 2 frozen milk cubes. Add 2 small scoops of vanilla ice cream. 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar as per your sweetness. Add 1 cup milk half at a time. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream while serving. Garnish with some cashews or almonds for a crunch. Sprinkle some chocolate powder on top or cocoa powder and your milkshake is ready. Next is coconut mango milkshake. Here I have taken fresh coconut 1 cup. Add to a blender. Add 1 cup milk. Blend. It would be like a cream. Now strain it. Add the remains back to the blender. Add 1 cup water and blend again. Then strain again. Add the milk into the blender again. Here I have used 2 scoops of mango ice cream. Now instead of the ice cream, you can add fresh mango which is in season. Add 1 cup cubed mangoes. For sweetness, add 2-3 tablespoons of condensed milk or sugar. Some ice cubes. Blend again and serve. Add a scoop of mango ice cream. Garnish with some chopped almonds for a crunch. And it's ready. Next is cucumber milkshake. Here I have taken one medium-sized cucumber, peel and chop. Add into the blender. Add 2 frozen milk cubes. Add 1 tablespoon condensed milk. A pinch of cardamom powder. Here I've taken 1 cup milk. Add half at a time. Blend. Then add the rest of the milk. Check the sweetness and add more condensed milk if needed. Blend again and serve. Next is carrot milkshake. You can make it in 2 ways. Peel the carrot. Here I am using half of 1 big carrot. Chop it roughly and add into the blender. Add 2 frozen milk cubes. Take half cup milk and half cup water. Add half at a time. Then sugar, 1 tablespoon or more if you need. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and blend well. Add the half cup more and blend. Then serve. Now let me show you the other way. Taking half of a big carrot, chop roughly, add into a vessel, add 1 cup water and cook for 10 minutes. Then take it off and let it cool down. Once cooled down, blend to a puree. Add condensed milk for sweetness, a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 cup milk. Blend and serve. Garnish with some grated carrot and chopped nuts. Next is dates milkshake. Here I've used 4 large dates. Make it into small pieces while adding to the blender so that the blending is easier. Add a handful of cashew nuts. Add half cup milk and blend to a very smooth mixture. Then add half more cup of milk and blend well. No sugar is needed since the dates give the sweetness. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream while serving. Add some chopped peanuts and chopped or sliced dates to get that bite which is really tasty while having the milkshake. Next is biscuit chocolate milkshake. Here I've used biscuits with chocolate cream. You can use any biscuits like glucose or Parle-G. These are small, so I am adding around 6 biscuits into the blender. Then goes 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream, few ice cubes, half cup milk, then blend. Then add half more cup of milk. Check the sweetness and add condensed milk if needed. Blend and serve. Add a scoop of chocolate or vanilla ice cream on top. Crumble some biscuits on top. Some cocoa or chocolate powder. Just a drizzle of chocolate syrup. And it's done. Do try this for your kids. I'm sure they'll crave for more. Next is a very simple yet always very refreshing strawberry milkshake. Into a blender, add 4 to 5 strawberries, 2 tablespoons of sugar and blend to a puree. Add 1 cup milk, blend and serve. It's as easy as that. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream and a slice of strawberry. The refreshing drink is ready.